Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing Sellvia.com, a platform that markets itself as a turnkey e-commerce and dropshipping solution, promising things like a ready-to-go online store, a catalog of hot products with fast US shipping, automated fulfillment, and training to help you start earning money online. The site even advertises free 14-day trials and no experience needed to launch. But let's look at what real users and independent reviewers are actually saying. While some sites list high star counts and positive reviews, many of those have been questioned for review integrity, and aggregated safety tools note that there are extreme mixed ratings, meaning reviews are either very positive or very negative, which can indicate manipulation or bias rather than a reliable consensus. Digging deeper into actual user experiences publicly shared online, a large number of former customers report serious issues. Complaints include hidden fees, products that are overpriced, poor or misleading analytics, difficulty withdrawing profits, unexpected charges during or after free trials, and a requirement to spend money on ads or upgrades. Some people say Sellvia pushes upsells constantly and that profits evaporate because of high costs and platform fees. Others even claim accounts were billed before the trial period ended or that they were unable to cancel properly. These kinds of reports suggest that while Sellvia isn't necessarily fraudulent in the legal sense, many users feel misled and ultimately lost money using the service. So is Sellvia legit? The answer is complicated. Technically, it's a real e-commerce platform that does provide tools, hosting, and product catalogs, but your experience can vary wildly, and many people do not see the advertised returns or transparent pricing they expected. If you're considering it, make sure you read the fine print, understand all subscription and advertising costs, and proceed with caution rather than expecting a quick path to profit.